COVID-19 will likely be the biggest story of our lifetimes. The focus has been on controlling the spread of the virus, but few people understand the severity and complexity of the economic crisis caused by this event beyond the day-to-day headlines. The lockdowns have caused unprecedented destruction in supply and the logistical chain in farming, and the restriction of movement between borders has meant migrant workers have not been on farms all over the world. We have a ticking time bomb on our hands with regards to the price of food, the cost of living, and inflation. But like every crisis, there is opportunity for those who position themselves intelligently. We've put together a special series on investing in agriculture, which goes through how we're investing in certain agricultural commodities via our investment fund, TheluckyC.e.o Capital, as well as getting the overview from our months of research. You'll also find out how we're actually investing and what sort of returns are to be expected. When you fill in the form below, you'll get a 4-part audio series that you can download via MP3 or stream, an in-depth interview about how we're investing with our managing partners, and guidance on what to look into and what to avoid when investing in this area. Now, this is usually reserved for paying clients of ours, but given the universal impact of this event and the fact that anyone with an online brokerage account can execute on the trades we're recommending, we decided to open this up for a limited time. I do hope you can join us, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side.